Greetings, this is the Hydroponic Day 23 update of our batch 1.1 Romaine and Buttercrunch lettuce series. Important stuff. We are currently on a generator because the power is out, so kind of sucks, but we do still have power to these. I will just have to get the lights working. And it makes purging the tanks kind of difficult. I do have a full batch of distilled water, and I'm going to make more overnight, but it puts a lot of strain on the generator. Sorry, had to sneeze. Anyways, I apologize. But more strain on the generator. I will make another. Will be fully done by tomorrow, but I will only be purging the left tank for today. But not really that important. It shouldn't affect things too much. Let's get on to it. Starting off, let's see. We are running at 470 for CO2 ppm, 32 degrees Celsius, and 52% humidity. And all those factors are due to the distiller being on. So let's graph those, then let's open it up and check it out. Inside the grow chamber, we are looking at some growth on the right tank, which is awesome. It only took it forever. It does have very nicely established roots now, so it will start sucking up nutrients. And then the left tank, we've got an even more significant thing with way more established roots, so that's cool. And then below tank looks pretty cool too. Water level is significantly lower than yesterday, and that's probably due to the stress of the distiller being on. Anyways, let's check out our pH, ppm, and EC. We are running at 6.21 for pH today. Let's check out our EC and ppm. ppm of 950, EC of 1900, and temperature of 26.4. Let's graph that and move on to the left tank. Alrighty, left tank pH is running at 6.22. Let's check out the ppm and the EC. We are running at a 1072 ppm, EC of 2144, and temperature of 24.7. Let's check out our graphs for today. Alrighty, environmental factors are pretty different, and that's the humidity and temperature, which, as you can see, because the distiller's on, one is down, and that's the humidity. And then the CO2 ppm is staying very constant, so really happy with that. That's giving us some good info. And then the pH on the left tank has gone up just a little, but within normal range. It's kind of just staying there, so that's good. And then ppm and EC have risen. That's probably due to the rapid water consumption. And then on the right tank, we have a drop in humidity, rise in temperature. And then CO2 ppm is, sorry, those are fine. I already talked about those. Then the pH is rocketed. ppm and EC are barely up. Hope you guys enjoyed. Tune in for tomorrow's update.